First, I've taken this bike all to bits. It's just a frame here lying on the ground. I've got the big boy 600 motor on the ground here. There's a few things I need to fix on that. The clutch is burnt out. And I need to powder coat this frame. But first it's got to be sandblasted. I just made this earlier to stop this bearing face getting sandblasted, because we don't want that. And then it gets sandblasted, then it gets powder coated. So yeah, I'll show you how I made this flash contraption. You could probably guess. So I've sorted this part out now. Look down here. Put a thicker plug in this side. So now what I've got to do is remove these plates for the sandblaster, because I'm sure they're going to get sandblasted to fire it up. So I guess I've got to take these rivets out. Yeah, one. Oh, this is a flimsy one. Always take care to take this off, because look, I mangled it. So make sure you be careful with these. Unbolting stuff. Maybe we'll just do all this part in fast motion. And
then you do one with lots of footage, because then you're going to have like at least 10-minute on video.
10 minutes?
At least.
Is that what you need, is it?
Yeah, to get all the viewers.
Here we go. Here we go. Yeah! So what's the problem is, you see, is this here clutch is burnt out. Should we take it apart, eh? See what's wrong. You want to take it apart, machine? Oh, very tight.
It's good because it's got the camera, which is good, the light for the good lighting.
You have to move it back a bit, Kenzie. You're a little bit extreme close up there.
I'm not.
I reckon it's extreme close up.
What if I just screwed this all up and you had to put it all back together again and take it all apart again?
This video's not really that important to me, to be honest. I was only taking bikes apart. No one's interested in this sort of stuff. I should really have a container to put all these parts on. This. Here we go, here we go, here we go now. So, what we should be seeing here is these plates should be worn out, but they don't really look like they are. Okay, so just to remember, one of these goes in first. Okay, you got that on the video? This goes in first. What? This pad's got teeth missing. Oh, they all do. Okay. 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 Don't know what's wrong with this, but everybody knows how these things work. The metal disky parts spin with the motor, or the other way around, and the basket holds on these tags on the outside, and when they're pushed together really hard they all spin together, and when they're not they just slip. So that's how your clutchy works, kind of something like that. So today we're just working on this muffler for my motorbike. It's made out of titanium, hence the song. And watch this when I cut it. It makes some pretty cool looking sparks. I'm going to weld it in a minute. I got this piece of titanium that I cut off to use as filler wire. Fast forward that anyway, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, helmet, gloves. So if you want, you can watch through the phone. So if you don't look, but you look through the phone, you can watch me weld.
Can I?
Yeah.
Yes. Because this is good when
Okay, so down here, what I'm going to do is weld a little bit in here and weld this piece here up, just to make it a little bit stronger. Okay?
Okay.
We're saying okay a lot too much in this video, maybe.
No, we've only seen it like twice. No,
Yeah,
once.
but what about the views?
What do you mean the
The
views?
viewers might not like all the okays.
You should keep just talking.
Okay. So this is what I've got to do. I'm going to hold this like this. Now what was I talking?
What are you gonna hold?
This piece of wire is going to use to melt.
Wait, let me see the wire. Let us see the wire. So you can't see it. Now, wait.
So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to use this to melt it into that gap. Brrr.
Tell me when you're gonna start.
It's a bit dirty, which is not the best. Maybe I should try and clean that a bit. Some brake lean. Hold it. Now this is all going to catch on fire when I weld it.
I'm gonna stay back.
See. Just watch.
Whoa! Whoa!
Are you filming it?
Yeah. Flame looks really good.
Okay, she's safe to weld now. You want to get the music back going again? It's titanium themed, you know what I'm saying? Just adjusting the amount that the tungsten sticks out. I only wanted it out a little bit for this. Okay. Here we go.
I have to look really close so I can actually see the brightness. Wait! I need to get ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Very awkward with this piece of full of wire.
Here's a bright circle.
Closer. I'll run out of wire. Okay.
Wait, say that again.
Get closer. I'll see if I can melt this together.
I can't, because then I can't see. This
Ready?
is as close as I can get without seeing the brightness.
Just blew it away. Okay, next plan. I'm going to try a big piece of this.
That's not gonna work. I doubt it.
Let's try it.
My recording's not very good because I'm like nailed down. Some parts it's shaky. And it's twitching.
You ready?
Again. Whoa. Is it working?
Kind of.
Oh no, the music stopped.
There we go. Yay.
I need to go fix it.
That bit's fixed. It's got a little bit of weld on there. That'll do. I mean, it's still holding on by all this part. So I think it'll be okay.
Okay.
There we go, come up close and have a look. Okay, that's it done for the muffler. Well, when it go up?
It's not up.
Didn't work very good. So that's it for this video. The frame's in at the powder coaters, getting powder coated. Next time we're putting this all stuff all back on. I think I've sorted the motor out now, cleaned the clutch pads up. So subscribe if you want to see more. Hopefully next week will be a good one. See ya.